welcome to my channel. This is just a short unboxing video from one of my favourite online retailers, Only5Pounds.com. Now while I'm just opening the box, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe so you don't miss out. So as I say, this is one of my favourite online retailers, Only5Pounds.com. I'm just opening the box there. It's quite a big box, but I don't think it's that full. I think it's just what I ordered is quite big. But we do keep all the boxes full for work. We don't throw anything away, we recycle them. So let's open it up and see what the first item is. And you may notice that I'm actually recording this in my bedroom because I've run out of space. My daughter's in my dining room at the moment, so I haven't got anywhere else to record my video, so I'm in the bedroom. So this is the first item. This is the egg sitter. Now this is a cushion that you put on your chair. I've seen these on those infomercials and they'll normally retail for about $9.99 or $19.99, but this one was actually £5 and I bought two. So one's for home, for when I'm sitting at my desk or my dressing table, and one is for work. Because I do tend to get sort of aches and pains if I sit for too long, so that should help alleviate that. The next item is some drain sticks. You just pop those into the drains to eliminate any smells or odours. And there's 12 of those. I put them in once a month, so it's a year's supply. And I'll be using those in my ensuite because sometimes there is a bit of an odour coming from there. And these are 3 sponges that you put on those, those dishwashing things you put the liquid in. Those are 3 replacement heads, and those are only 97p, I think. And these are an absolute bargain. These are 2 sheets of mosaic tiles. You get black and white, so I'll just open it up so you can see. And they're kind of mosaic tiles. As you may or may not know, I do a little bit of crafting in my spare time, so I like to find all these little embellishments, and those are a bargain, so those are 97p. So that's a black one and a white one. And I'm going to use those on one of my projects, so look out for the video a bit later on. I'm just looking there to see how many it says in the pack, but it doesn't really say, but there's a few there for 2 or 3 projects at least. And this is an expanding file with 12 pockets. Now I'll use this to keep all my Avon invoices in order. I like to be organised, and I like this one because it's got a little carry hand, so I can carry that to and from work. And it opens there with a clip. And inside you've got 12 expanding pockets, so that's for 12 months worth of invoices. And the little tabs there, so you can put it inside so you know which month you're on. So that's an expanding one, and I think that was $4.49. And that looks quite smart. So I'm just showing you there's quite a bit of packaging in there, quite a lot of sort of that cushion wrap. But as I say, we use that at work for packing our own parcels, so we don't waste anything. So here are 2 knee supports. I do have trouble with my knees, especially my right knee. And I'll be wearing those when I go to the gym. Now I have bought some from this retailer before. That was about 2 or 3 years ago. So they're absolutely worn out now. So I'm just replacing them. And these were £5 each, which is good value. They do feel really good quality. I've seen something similar in Boots or Superdrug, and they're normally about $16.99 just for one. And I've got 2 for £10. And they are adjustable. They fit any size. And they're just fastened with Velcro. That's what they look inside. They feel quite padded, especially that circle there that goes over your sort of kneecap, the patella area. And those will provide lots of support, so when I go to the gym or when I go walking. And those, as I say, those are just £5 each. So that's it. So a quick recap, there's the expanding file, the mosaic tiles, the drain sticks, and the sponge heads, and the 2 egg sitter cushions. So that's it for today, short and sweet. Another reminder, please remember to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.